Hello everybody, welcome to Magic Tricks with Cards. So since childhood, card tricks have been my favorite. So let's see some of the basic card tricks which require no sleight of hand and leave your spectator in awe. So in the first part, I'll be showing you the trick, and then if you want to learn how to do it, stick around for the tutorial. So let's get started. First of all, you start by shuffling up the deck. And then you can even ask your spectator to shuffle up the deck. So please shuffle up the deck for me. So this is a completely shuffled up deck. So choose whatever card you want. Don't show it to me, show it to everybody else. So this is your card. Now I'll be doing something. Please place the card anywhere in the deck. So now I'll be doing some magic. So tell me, what was your card?
My card was 10 of spades.
So 10 of spades. I took one card in the deck and I flipped it. So let's see, is it your card?
Oh wow!
There it is. Your card, the 10 of spades. So if you want to learn how I did that trick, stick around for the tutorial. So let's dive into the tutorial of this trick. First of all, you're gonna get the deck shuffled by the spectator, or you're gonna shuffle the deck yourself. So you're shuffling up the deck so that it doesn't become any bit suspicious that you know anything in the deck. Next, you're gonna ask the spectator to choose any card. So suppose he takes this card. I'll open it up for the purpose of the tutorial. So the card is Ace of Spades. So next, what you're gonna do is you're gonna slide through the deck. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do it behind your back. So it's not that difficult. All you're gonna do is turn the deck over so the cards are facing up, and then take these two cards and flip them over. So these two cards are flipped over, but all these cards are really face up. But to the spectator, the deck will look exactly the same because he doesn't expect this, but in reality, all these cards will be face up. So we'll take the spectator's card and then he's gonna put it anywhere. So his card is face down while the entire deck is face up. So he has put the card here. Now you're gonna do this behind your back. So you're gonna take these two cards and flip them over. So all the cards are flipped up while the spectator's card is flipped down. So if you turn it like this, only the spectator's card will be flipped up. So if we go to the deck, the Ace of Spades should be flipped up. So let's see. Yeah, the spectator's card, Ace of Spades, is flipped up. So you're gonna do this trick really fast so that it doesn't become obvious. Let's do it again. So you're gonna get the deck shuffled by the spectator. Ask him to choose any card, supposedly this card. So this is the 7 of spades. What you're gonna do is you're gonna do behind the back. So it's not that difficult. All you're gonna do is flip the deck over and turn these two cards like this. And then the spectator will put his card somewhere in the middle of the deck. When he asks you can even say that the card is not at the top and is not controlled anywhere. So this card is not controlled. So now you're gonna flip these two cards over and then turn the deck. So now the spectator's card will be the only card flipped up. So let's look for the card. Yes, only the spectator's card is flipped. So if you actually fooled somebody with this trick, leave it down in the comments below. And if you like this trick, please like, share and subscribe so that you don't miss any more awesome content.